Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making seafood pasta. You will need a half pound of shrimp, 1 cup of scallops, 1 cup of crab meat, 10 ounces of pappardelle pasta, 1 cup of white wine, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring it to a boil. Now add your pasta and allow it to cook for 9 to 10 minutes or until al dente. When your pasta is ready, drain off the water but do not rinse, then set it aside until later. Now slice your garlic and tomatoes, then set them aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add the olive oil. Now cook your scallops for 4 minutes, then remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now cook your shrimp for 3 minutes, then remove them from the pan and set them aside. Melt your butter, then saute your garlic for 2 minutes. Pour in your wine to deglaze, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Add the heavy cream, then season with the salt and pepper. Now add the crab meat and return the shrimp and scallops. Add the spinach, tomato, and pasta and lightly toss in your sauce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made